everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Misssharz in case you are stopping by for the first time. If you've been around, then you know that you are most definitely welcome. On today's clip, I'd love to share with you a very quick tutorial on how you can rock your headband wig. Yes, headband wigs are the new thing, you know, for people who don't like all the work that comes with a frontless wig, or if you just want something to put on so quickly and rush out of the door and you don't have the time. Anyway, without further ado, let's go ahead and yeah, check this out. So yeah, this is the wig. This is how it comes. This is the 18-inch kinky straight wig. And yeah, so it comes with a band. Of course, it's a headband wig, so that's the band, and this at the end, so you can easily adjust it the way you want, the tighter you want, and it's quite secure. It also comes with combs, 3 combs in front and 1 comb at the back. Okay, so some people prefer to just throw this on their head like this, but I love, you know, straightening it and making it have some kind of shape, you know. So yeah, that's exactly what I'm going to show you today. And of course, I'm also going to show you what I'll do with my hair, because as you can see, yeah, it looks like that. Yeah, so let me show you what we do with the wig to make it straight and beautiful, and then I'll come back and show you just how to secure it. So I'll start off by applying some oil serum on the hair. Yeah, this will just make it, you know, have that beautiful shine, and it will also make it easy to straighten, because that's exactly what I'm about to do. Yeah, so the first side is done, and the good thing with this kind of hair is that it's definitely way manageable, yeah, compared to yeah, a curly texture. So yeah, I take a small part and I will be doing 2 passes. Yeah, so I heated this to the highest. Yes, and so I just do 2 passes at a time as I go, because I also don't want to lose the, you know, the bits where it's a bit wavy. So I'm done with this part, and I'm combing it. You can see how nice it already looks, and after I'm done completely, this is how straight the hair looks. What I love about this is that this is exactly how my hair would look if I straighten it. So that's why I prefer to straighten my kinky straight wigs, you know, to make them look more natural and yeah, like my own hair. So what I'm going to do next is I'm using a wax stick. So this one is just to tame down the flyaways, you know, and then yeah, you'll be good to go. So of course, once I apply the wax stick, I go ahead with my hot comb, and yeah, this one is electric, so much easy to work with. And I just make sure, you know, the hair is super flat. Yes. And now for my hair, I'll simply go ahead and apply some Eco Styler gel. As you saw, I already had some gel on the front, so I have to apply some more on the back, and of course, you know, comb this hair and have it lay down as much as I can. Okay. So using a hairband, I'll secure this hair, you know, at the lower back of my head. Yes.
And then I will go ahead and apply some gel as well on the front, you know, to just lay down my edges. So this is again my usual gel. I love this gel. It's Loreal Studio Fix. I'm going to leave the links in the info box below. Make sure you check it out. Yeah, so once I'm done, that's how the hair looks like, and it's ready to go on my head, and I'm super excited already. And voila, that's how easy it is to put on your head. Okay, so it's time to secure the bands, you know, the headband. And ladies, this is super secure. It's more secure if you use the combs, which on this clip I didn't use, but I noticed that if I use the comb, the hair, you know, the wig is super secure. Okay, so you don't have to worry about that. Nobody's gonna grab it off your head. And yeah, that's how it looks. So the end results looks like this. I love it. As you can see, it's super seamless, matches my own hair on the front, you know. And yeah, this is the side and the other side.
So my dears, that's it. You see how simple this was. Maybe the hardest part was like to get this straightened, you know, but the rest of the thing, you saw, I just popped it up, tightened the back, and I was good to go. And as you can see, it looks quite seamless. And by the way, before you ask why I prefer to straighten the hair, is because I want it to match with the front part, because as you can see, the front part is quite sleek. So that's why I also prefer having the hair sleeked, though not too much. You know, I still love to have those waves be visible. And yeah, that's how you do this. I hope you love this clip. If you are the type of person who is not into the lace wig, you know, the cutting of the lace and laying it down, then maybe this is something for you. So yeah, give it a try. You can purchase this on my web shop. I'm gonna leave the link down in the info box below. Yeah, and let me know how you love this video. Let me know if you've tried the headband wigs. How do you love them? Would you recommend them? And yeah, hope you love this clip. Leave me a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel in case you haven't. And I can't wait to catch you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.